What's it called again?
Chicken of the woods.
Chicken of the woods. And it's a what?
If you eat it, you might die.
If you eat it, you might die. What do you think about that?
I'm coming back up because there might be a walk.
This trick ends up flowing into the wrong answer.
What, baby? Whoa! You okay? It's okay.
Don't take a picture of me.
I didn't take a picture of you.
The light's sticking up. That one's tricky. You're not going to pull it out if you lose these three.
It's like all three of them. 1, 2, 3. All come together. I'll go down here.
Grandma, do you want to go walk through that?
Do I want to walk through that?
Yeah.
I don't think I want to walk through that.